Good morning. It is sunrise on the Gulf Coast. We are in a new area, and I'm going to show you today a couple places that I found that I thought were pretty interesting for composition photos and hopefully to find some birds. Now this spot here, I see that tree way out there. It's just one tree, and I'm thinking that's going to make a pretty good shot if I can zoom in enough to isolate it from all the blank space around it, because the sunrise colors are just gorgeous behind it. Now you can't see from this shot, but there's a lot of birds out there. I've been down here a couple times and there wasn't any birds, but today there's quite a few. Well, hang on a moment, I forgot to lock the door. I gotta go back to the Jeep for a second. Now I like photographing birds. I've been doing it for many years, and there's a couple of things that I really enjoy about it. First, just being there's so many different species of birds, and it's always exciting when I find some new ones that I've never seen before. But it is also a challenge, especially trying to photograph birds in flight. That is probably my biggest passion when it comes to photographing birds. So let's take a look at the composition I was going for on this photograph. I like the angle of the tree and all the birds flying around and the great egrets perched on top. But it's the sunrise colors that I was going for. Now, earlier I said one of the exciting things for me about birding is finding a new bird that I've never seen before. And the next day we came down here to this marina because we saw some birds flying down there at the end. So when it comes to birding, you have to go slow. We're slowly making our way down here to the end. You can see all the birds flying down there, but at this moment, I just thought they were seagulls and brown pelicans. But to my surprise, look at these birds here on the right. I got closer to those and I thought, man, I have never seen anything with an orange bill quite like these. These are called royal terns. Royal terns are a very sleek seabird of warm saltwater coasts. The royal tern lives up to its regal name with a tangerine-colored bill and ragged ink-black crest against crisp white plumage. Royal terns fly gracefully and slowly along coastlines, diving for small fish, which they capture with a swift strike of their dagger-like bills. And I'm thinking that here at the marina, I bet the boaters think these royal terns are probably a royal pain in their butt because they poop all over everything. king of the birds here at this marina are the brown pelicans. They pretty much take whatever post they want. So now I'll leave you with a few photos of the royal terns and the brown pelicans. And I want to thank you for watching, and as always, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.